They say confidence starts with the perfect haircut, and few styles scream confidence quite like the bob. Chic, timeless, and endlessly versatile, the bob haircut has been ruling fashion runways, red carpets, and everyday street styles for decades. But today's bobs, they've evolved far beyond the classics. Let's explore the modern world of bob hairstyle designs, where bold meets beautiful, and simplicity meets pure sophistication. It all begins with the classic blunt bob, sharp, sleek, and flawlessly even. This look is power in motion. It frames your face with precision and radiates that boss energy every time you walk into a room. Pair him with straight, glossy hair for a polished, high-fashion statement, or add a touch of femininity for a soft curl. Then there's the textured bob, effortless, playful, and full of personality. Think beach waves, light layering, and natural movement. This style whispers, "I woke up like this," while still turning heads everywhere you go. It's the go-to choice for women who love that chic, undone vibe. Want something edgier? Meet the asymmetrical bob, short on one side, longer on the other. It's bold, daring, and instantly makes you stand out. Celebrities adore it for its dramatic flair, and it pairs perfectly with statement earrings or a smoky makeup look. For a softer, romantic look, the A-line bob is pure magic. Longer in the front and shorter at the back. It gently contours your jawline, giving your face that lifted, elegant shape. It's flattering on almost every face type and looks incredible whether sleek or tousled. And if you crave something shorter and